Here are 30 facts about our world without wasting your time. Which country has the most official languages? Bolivia with 37. Which country has the most lakes? Canada with roughly 879,800. Which country has the most Muslims? Indonesia, with 245 million of its population being Muslim, which is around 13% of the world's Muslims. What is the world's largest desert? Antarctica. What is the heaviest building in the world? The Palace of the Parliament in Bucharest, Romania. It weighs 4.1 million tonnes or 9 million pounds. Who was the first ever person to be born in Antarctica? Emilio Marcos de Palma Morea on the 7th of January 1978. What is the hottest country in the world? Burkina Faso. The average annual temperature is 30.4 degrees Celsius or 86.72 degrees Fahrenheit. How many time zones does China really have? 1, even though they're big enough to have 5. What is the highest capital city in the world? La Paz, Bolivia. The elevation is 3,650 metres or 11,975 feet. What is the world's largest island? Greenland. It's not Australia because Australia is classed as a continental landmass. What is the coldest country in the world? Greenland. The average temperature is minus 18.68 degrees Celsius or minus 1.62 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the longest walkable distance on Earth? From Cape Town, South Africa to Magadan, Russia, it's 14,000 miles or 22,000 kilometers long. What is the largest pyramid in the world? The Great Pyramid of Cholula in Mexico. What is the loudest noise ever recorded? The Krakatoa volcanic eruption in Indonesia on the 22nd of August 1883. The sound level is estimated to be 310 decibels. How heavy are clouds? Around 1 million tons. If you remove the European side of Russia, what would be the largest country in the world? It would still be Russia. What is the lowest capital city in the world? Baku, Azerbaijan. It's 28 meters below sea level. Which country has the highest life expectancy? Monaco at 86.5 years. How much of Earth is water? Virtually nothing. Roughly 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. How hot is the surface of the sun? Approximately 5,500 degrees Celsius, which is 9,900 degrees Fahrenheit or 5,800 degrees Kelvin. What is the most valuable currency in the world? The Kuwaiti dinar. 1 Kuwaiti dinar is $3.26 US. What is the least valuable currency in the world? The Lebanese pound. 1 US dollar equates to 89,600 Lebanese pounds. What are the top 5 strongest currencies in the world? Here they are. Which country receives the most rainfall? Colombia. The average rainfall every year is this. Which country has the most time zones? France with 12 because of their overseas territories. Which country has the most islands? Sweden with roughly 268,000 islands. What is the flattest country in the world? The Maldives. What is the least populated capital city in the world? Plymouth, Montserrat. It has a permanent population of 0. Which country is furthest away from the ocean? Kyrgyzstan. Its nearest ocean is the Indian Ocean, which is 1,600 kilometers or 994 miles away. What is the fattest country in the world? Tonga. The obesity rate is 70.5%. Yeah, that's it.